cousin Ayana, and this is my cousin Tate, and we are going to be doing
an unboxing.
Toys. So we have some LOL dolls, some Shopkins, and some doozies. So let's open. First, we're gonna open these LOL dolls.
She needs some help with hers.
No, I don't. I got it.
This is pretty hard.
I know. So,
Oh, here's the packet.
can somebody help me?
Talia, can you stop for a second and help her take that first layer off?
Wait. You didn't do your first letter. You skipped something.
No, she didn't. She took
I
it off.
got
No, you
both
skipped
of
the
these.
clue. Where's
Yeah,
the doggone clue?
The clue's right
Oh
here.
my MGOMMM. You know what I'm seeing? Is this gold?
Is that?
That's gold. Is that gold? Do you see this? Look, and then what I see is it eliminate.
Oh, it's gold in there, or like an orange. Yeah, I don't know.
OMG. Okay.
Well, you
This
got
is, like,
both of
good.
them, so you'll be able to enjoy
so
both.
I got the first layer off.
So I'm missing the clue. Where's that doggone
I
clue?
got my clue.
Oh, that's not the clue. This is not the clue. This is
That's the clue to mine. That one and this
This
is
is-
mine.
the first layer is the clue. Where is the doggone clue? Yo, forget about the clue. We don't know what it is.
Mine is the.
Oh, what does it say? Okay, it's. You read it. See if you can figure out what that clue means.
Video game geek?
No, keep trying. You have to know what it is.
I don't know. That's what it looks like to me.
I got a pink one. Why do you want this doggone? How do you? Don't worry.
Unboxing takes a while, doesn't it?
Doesn't it? Yeah.
I can help you. I'll show you where to pull it from. There's a little
What do you
thing.
got going on there?
Please, somebody tell me.
Okay, where you pull it. Oh, turn it. There's a certain. Oh yeah, you pull it.
Oh,
right
here.
here.
It says
Wait.
peel here.
There you go.
Oh, that's weird. I didn't even get my clue yet. Where's that clue layer? I can't find the clue layer because I never got my clue.
Whoa.
Whoa, runaway ball.
Chase that dumb ball. Okay, that's weird. I never got my clue. Where is my doggone clue? That's your clue, so.
Yeah, my clue's right here.
I think that's a gamer.
So there's another layer you have to peel off, Talia. There's one more. At least it looks like one more. It's a lot of unboxing there.
I'm looking for the peel here, see. Okay.
That's that one. That's what there's one more. Okay, here's where you stick it.
Oh my gosh, she got a glue.
There's another layer. Oh my goodness,
this
they don't
is-
make this thing easy.
Oh my gosh, it's a gold one. You got a gold one, literally. Let's see what she got.
I think you hit the jackpot, Ayana.
Oh, I know exactly which one this is. But I didn't get the clue, which is weird, because I should have got the clue. I don't know which one it is. I never got the clue.
So the gold one is a rare one.
Yes, it's a rare one. Gold is rare. She got a rare one. I'm not having very much luck with mine because I didn't get the clue and I feel embarrassed.
You open the lid.
Oh, we can do different kinds of things with
And
this.
so they're on the different sides of the ball.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I think that. Wait, there's something inside.
Uh-huh. You probably have to twist it and open it up. Does it say twist it?
Let me see.
Oh, I know exactly which one I got. I think I got the girl, the school girl. Where is this doggone body?
There you go.
Oh, Talia twisted it, right?
No, I pulled it.
You pulled it. Okay, you got yours open too.
Who gives?
There's a little passy on the bottom.
Oh, so that means that you got a baby one. Oh, baby one is a limited edition one too. My layers are stupid.
let's
This one is
see.
is a
It
funky
says,
one.
let me out of here.
Let me out of here.
So let's see.
Let's see what kind of accessory you got. I'm so sure this is weird. This is
Ooh,
really
it's
weird.
sparkly. Oh,
I know. Wait. Oh my gosh, you got a
Wow.
limited edition one. Dang. I just never got a clue or anything. Mine is stupid. Thank you for that wonderful introduction, Ayana. You're welcome.
funny.
We gotta fill it up with water.
What's up with this
Fill it up with
one?
water.
I gotta fill. Yeah, it's not a P one, so it's that's spit or cry.
I don't know about filling with water tonight.
I don't know if it cries or.
Oh, mine comes out of his mouth.
How did you know?
It has a hole in his mouth.
Okay, so
Of course it has a hole. in
this
its mouth.
video will be unboxing of the LOL dolls. And part 2 will be unboxing the
The
Twinsies.
Shopkins.
Oh, it's Shopkins? Sorry, Shopkins.
Correction, mammy.
So just hold up your dolls to show him,
Okay.
show us what
It's not
you
very
actually
much.
have?
Mine was kind of stupid and very bad.
stupid.
Yeah, but that's okay. I didn't get this stuff.
Pretty cool. That's a rare
Fun
one. Turn
vibes.
around.
She
You have
got
a
a rare
name or
one.
anything?
Wait. Where is that
Name.
dum-dum?
Right here, the little card.
No, that's not what I want.
That's
Oh, it's a
stickers.
sticker.
I
Thank
have
gosh.
stickers too.
Okay,
Okay, so can you guys just show them and then we're gonna end the video?
okay, this one is a girl. It's well, of course it's a girl. I mean, it's like
This is
A
a
school
limited
kid.
edition pink.
Can you turn it
hair.
around? All right.
it looks like I can't say which kind.
And
I hated mine.
Bye.
I love that.